Pour some on John's head.
That's okay. That's okay? Okay.
That's enough. That's enough, Eric. No more putting water on his head. You okay, John? John, you okay, buddy? Yeah.
I got